Do you want to build beautiful functional websites with WordPress but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll teach you what you need to know to start WordPress development. So WordPress powers over 40% of the web. It's a flexible open source content management system that lets you create anything from blogs to business sites to full-blown e-commerce platforms. Before you write a single line of code, you'll need a local development setup. So there are three ways. First would be through installing local WP or SAMP. Second would be setting up a new WordPress site. And third would be opening the site in a browser and code editor. WordPress development blends several languages. Here's what you'll be working with. First would be HTML and CSS for structure and design, PHP for server-side logic, and JavaScript for interactivity. Want to customize how your site looks? That's where themes come in. Creating a child theme, editing style CSS and functions.php, using template tags, and the WordPress loop. So you'll be able to find all of the selection of themes into this section. Plugins add functionality. You can build your own to extend WordPress in powerful ways. So in this section, you'll be able to find all of the available plugins that you can avail on WordPress. Security, performance, and clean code matter. Always sanitize inputs, follow coding standards, and keep learning. Make sure to check WordPress Developer Handbook and check GitHub repositories and forum. WordPress development is a skill that opens doors. Whether you're freelancing, building your own site, or launching a startup, this is where it begins. Subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment with your questions.